Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the second part in a series of reviews of this Artec 181 inverter MIG welder. I've got a job to do. Well, in fact, it's actually a job the wife wants to do. I found some more spanners and she basically wants to make a coat hanger out of the spanners. It's an ideal opportunity to do a little bit of stick welding. This 181 inverter welder is really good on stick. It's got an EasySet setting to set up stick welding, so let's have a bit play with it and see how easy it actually is to set it up. On the front of the welder, we've got our earth point. Obviously that's our main cable. That's for the spool gun, and that's alive. That's what we're going to use to get the power for our stick welding. That's what you use. It's called a stinger electrode holder. That simply plugs into there, locks in, and then now that is live and ready to weld, your welding rod goes into there. So that's the rod I'm going to be using, 6013 3.2mm rod. You mustn't forget, whenever this set's turned on, that is live. There's power coming out of there all the time, so be careful where you put it down. To change the welder from MIG to stick welding, very easy. You simply scroll down here into manual metal arc. At the minute, it's in EasySet. You turn the EasySet off, and all you've got is a straightforward amperage control from 0 to 160 amps. We're going to go with the EasySet. We're using 6013 rod, a 3.2mm rod, because what it's actually flashing on there. You can change the different rod types, 7018s. Right, so it's flashing 6013 3.2. We're welding fairly thick material, so we'll go up 5mm. That's going to give me 100 amps, which is a good starting point on a 3.2mm rod. You can of course go up or down 10%, just to dial it in exactly the way you want it. That's it, keep it pushed in nice and tight. Any good?
I slipped.
You slip. This is the setting it was actually welded on. 6013 3.2mm rod, 5mm material, and I turned it down 10%. Give me 100 amps, and I turned it down to 90 amps, and I found it welded very nicely indeed. Well, at least Deborah found it welded very nicely indeed. That's it all welded up and bent into shape. All at once now. It's a coat of nice wax. There's some fairly decent welds in there. And she did weld most of them. The close-up shots for my welding, but all these are welded by Deb. I'm sure you'll agree that the welder performed very nicely on stick. The wife enjoyed using it, our project's coming on quite nicely, and happy wife is a happy life. There's a link in the description box to this welder. If you do decide to buy this welder or any Ortec product, please be sure to mention my name. It certainly won't do you any harm anyway. Thanks for watching.